Welcome to the Filipino lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations.
Bagay.
Which means things.
Ang mga bagay na iyan.
Which means those things.
Ano ang mga bagay na iyan?
Which means what are those things.
Kabibe.
Which means seashells.
Mga kabibe, ito.
Which means these are seashells.
Mga kabibe ito na ginawang kwintas.
Which means these are seashells made into necklaces.
Mga.
Is a plural marker used to indicate nouns in their plural form in Filipino language. For example,
Mga bagay.
which means things,
Mga damit.
which means clothes.
Saan mo binili ang kwintas na ito?
Which means, where did you buy this necklace?
Binili ko itong kwintas sa tindahan malapit sa dagat ng Boracay.
Which means, I bought this necklace at a shop along Boracay Beach. We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and your Filipino friend. You notice some things of ornamental value kept in a pouch on the table. You curiously asked,
Ano ang mga bagay na iyan?
"What are those things?" Your friend responded,
Mga kabibe ito na ginawang kwintas.
"These are seashells made into necklaces." You were particularly interested in the necklace which your friend was wearing and asked,
Saan mo binili ang kwintas na ito?
"Where did you buy this necklace?" Your friend replied,
Binili ko itong kwintas sa tindahan malapit sa dagat ng Boracay.
"I bought this necklace at a shop along Boracay Beach." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Ano ang mga bagay na iyan? Mga kabibe ito na ginawang kwintas. Saan mo binili ang kwintas na ito? Binili ko itong kwintas sa tindahan malapit sa dagat ng Boracay. Ilang bagay.
Which means some things.
Nakalimutan kong bumili ng ilang bagay.
Which means I forgot to buy some things.
Anong gusto mong bilhin?
Which means what do you want to buy?
Gusto kong bilhin mo ang mga lanzones na ito.
Which means I want you to buy these lanzones. Lanzones are juicy tropical fruits which are indigenous to Southeast Asia, particularly in Philippines, Indonesia and Malaysia.
Anong uri ng lanzones sila?
Which means which lanzones are they?
Ang mga lanzones mula sa Camiguin.
They are lanzones from
Camiguin.
This is a conversation between you and your mother. Your mother sighed in dismay after returning home from shopping.
Nakalimutan kong bumili ng ilang bagay.
I forgot to buy some things. You were willing to support your mother and quickly responded,
Anong gusto mong bilhin?
"What do you want to buy?" Your mother showed a fruit bowl which contained a specific fruit and responded,
Gusto kong bilhin mo ang mga lanzones na ito.
"I want you to buy these lanzones." You were not familiar with the varieties of lanzones and asked your mother,
Anong uri ng lanzones sila?
"Which lanzones are they?" Your mother replied,
Ang mga lanzones mula sa Camiguin.
"They are lanzones from."
Camiguin.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Nakalimutan kong bumili ng ilang bagay. Anong gusto mong bilhin? Gusto kong bilhin mo ang mga lanzones na ito. Anong uri ng lanzones sila? Ang mga lanzones mula sa Camiguin. Kaninong mga damit?
which means, whose clothes,
Kaninong mga damit na ito?
which means, whose clothes are these,
Kay Christ Ellie, ang mga damit na ito.
which means, these are Christley's clothes.
Napakaganda ng mga damit na ito.
Which means, these clothes are very beautiful.
Mga mamahaling damit din ito.
Which means, these clothes are expensive too. We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation between your sister and her friend. Your sister friend noticed a branded shopping bag with clothes in it and curiously asked,
Kaninong mga damit na ito?
"Whose clothes are these?" Your sister replied,
Kay Christ Ellie, ang mga damit na ito.
"These are Chrisley's clothes." Your sister's friend takes a more closer look at the clothes and then admired.
Napakaganda ng mga damit na ito.
"These clothes are very beautiful," your sister jokingly informed.
Oo, mga mamahaling damit din ito.
Yes, these clothes are expensive too. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Kaninong mga damit na ito? Kay Christ Ellie, ang mga damit na ito. Napakaganda ng mga damit na ito. Oo, mga mamahaling damit din ito.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Filipino lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.